गाइस, तो आज मैं जा रही हूँ एक इवेंट पर। तो लिटरली आई एम रनिंग आउट ऑफ टाइम नाउ। मेरी फ्रेंड आने वाली है, तो मैंने सोचा आपको लेके चलती हूँ आज। तो चलें मेरे साथ। सो दिस इज़ गोइंग टू बी अमेजिंग इवेंट एंड आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड, लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू इट। पहली बार मैंने बैग बनाया और परफ्यूम लगाया, मतलब आई फील लाइक माई सेल्फ। और इतना टाइम लगा मुझे कुछ ढूंढने के लिए, कुछ फिट आने के लिए। बट आई ट्राई एंड शो यू व्हाट आई एम वेयरिंग। मेरी फ्रेंड बाहर आ रही है, तो मैं फटाफट से आपसे बाद में मिलती हूँ। Guys, finally we are out now. I'm out with my friend Lucy. Lucy, say hi to my subscribers. So yeah, really excited and looking forward to going to this event. I haven't actually told anyone yet where we are off to. Shall we share it?
Yes.
Yeah. So we're actually going to Sunday Riley's event in Cardiff. They're actually coming to Cardiff, so that's exciting. This brand is launching in Cardiff. Where are we going? Which way?
This way.
That way? Okay. So yeah, really looking forward to it because we've used their products and they've got amazing serums and amazing products. So it's a really popular, great skincare brand. So yeah, really looking forward to it. It's going to be a fun event. Let's go explore and have fun. And the weather is absolutely lush. It's cooling down now, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, but earlier it was too hot, way too hot. But I'm just feeling great after dressing up. After
Looking
ages.
beautiful.
Oh, thank you. So are you. Pretty in pink. My husband was like, wear my pink t-shirt, it'll look nice on you. And I was like, yeah, I'm actually living in my husband's clothes, FYI. But right now I've got my clothes on. Luckily I could fit into something that I found. So yeah, let's go guys. Let me take you. It's in Cardiff. So guys, we are here. Can't wait. Here. Seems like it's a pretty big event. They're expecting about 250-ish people. So yeah, I think it's going to be a fun night.
Yeah.
Fun evening. Really looking forward to it. So guys, they've got drinks. Should we grab a seat as well? Yeah, I think we should grab a seat. यहाँ सारी चेयर्स पे ऐसे गुडी बैग लगे हुए हैं और let's check what's inside the bag. That's good jeans, all in one lactic acid treatment. That seems good. I think pretty good for dark spots, fine lines, wrinkles. Wow. Can't wait to try this. Oh, I could definitely use this. Breakout. This is so cool. Those are the two things in the bag so far. And yeah, maybe there's going to be more samples later. But so far, this is what we're getting. And then हर चेयर पे ये क्वेश्चनर है कस्टमाइज रूटीन का. So yeah, we're gonna film that. And we're still waiting for the event to start. I don't know if you can hear me or not, but I should have got the mic. Maybe I'll lesson learned for next time.
Actually, when I looked at I was on the road and I saw and I looked up and I was like, Cadiz. And someone else told me in this room tonight that I sound like I said Cadiz, which is in Spain, not Wales. So I apologise, and I actually can't speak Welsh. My name's Luke. I'm obviously from Sunday Riley. I'm our global trainer. I deal with VIP clients. I do our client events. And thank you for coming out tonight. And thank God we're in a room with air conditioning.
Yes, absolutely yes.
Exactly. And you know what? Tonight's going to be amazing. In fact, someone outside also said to me, I thought this might be a bit of a catch tonight. Free products and like an evening out, cocktails. I'm like, yeah, there is no catch. It really is. Two of my favourite things that we're going to be doing tonight. Talking about skincare and drinking cocktails. So hopefully by the time you leave, you'll be tipsy, watching the football maybe later. I don't know what time that starts. I haven't watched one game yet, so I can't help you. So let me just introduce
I don't know, I haven't tasted it yet. So guys, I'm going to try the pink drink firming resurfacing essence. So it's a spray. Oh, it's not happening. Yeah. It's quite refreshing. It does feel nice, yeah. Right. So guys, they're actually making cocktails here. So guys, they're giving out free samples. So this is Tidal and Aquamarine Melt. Good travel size products to carry with you on your holiday. Guys, यहाँ हर जगह queues लगे हुए हैं for free samples और actually कोई बेबी के साथ भी आया हुआ है, so I'm amazed. मैं भी आ सकती थी. हर ऐसे different counters बने हुए हैं and then बस सब queue करके खड़े हुए हैं और cocktails हैं, samples हैं. So fun event, pretty good. So guys, basically ये हर एक product के साथ जैसे इस product के साथ themed alcohol इन्होंने रखी हुई है. So I like this idea. Okay, lovely.
So you've got your serum,
Okay.
then you've got your moisturizer Afterglow,
Yeah.
which is like yellow because it's got neroli, and then
Yeah.
it's quite light for summer, so it's great.
Yeah.
And then you've got your oil, which
Lovely.
is great, yeah, to mix in with foundation, use under makeup, all the good stuff.
Lovely. Sounds good. Thank you very much. Thank you. So these are all the Sunday Riley products that they've been trying and demonstrating with and using and showing us all. Yeah, pretty cool. So we are done with the event. What did you think of it, Lucy?
It was lovely,
Yeah.
really nice. Lots of
free goodies. Exactly.
We're not
Anything for
glowing
free
skin by
goodies.
tomorrow.
I know. And lots of free cocktails, by the way,
Yes.
but we skipped that. Yeah. Why did we skip it?
Because we've got children. We've left the youngsters to
I know. Wish we were 20 years younger and then we could come here and enjoy the cocktails without the kids. And yeah, it would have been, then we could have called it a night.
Yes.
But right now we're calling it a night.
Yeah, because we've
Soon.
got children to go home to.
Exactly. So see you later, guys. Thank you for watching our vlog. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe to Ishvish. Guys, because of the match, because England's playing tonight, they blocked the arcade, so we're gonna have to take another route. It's busy. What time is the match starting? We're going this way? So you can tell I'm not watching any. Yeah. Let's go home. तो गाइज फाइनली मेरा मदर्स डे प्रेजेंट आ चुका है. तुषार ने मेरे लिए कुछ स्पेशल ऑर्डर किया है, तो वो देखते हैं स्पेशल. मैंने सोचा आपके सामने खोलूँ मैं ये स्पेशल. सो दिस सेज इफ साउंड वाज आर्ट. लेट्स सी. Okay. Tushar and Isha, this art piece is handcrafted for you. Okay. There's a ring. This looks interesting. So basically, it says कि इसमें heartbeat मेरे babies की, काय और कीकी की. तो I've got two things here. So एक है ये ring और एक अभी मैंने खोली भी नहीं है ये necklace. So कीकी और काय का ये है. तो this is something special and memorable, and is this my size? Hope he gave the right size. Okay. मैं पतली हो गई ना. Look at this. That's nice, isn't it? This is so special and it's memorable, and I love the design. This is so cool. I'm already wearing a band in this finger on this hand, and I can actually wear another band because band actually save bhi hai babies ke saath, and I absolutely love this. So इस पे हमारे babies की I'm not sure कि इसमें की heartbeat engraved है, वो मैं उससे पूछ के बताऊंगी, या काय की. तो this is pretty good. They've actually हार्ट बीट को आपके बेबी की, टू मेक इट पर्सनलाइज्ड एंड मेमोरेबल फॉर लाइफ एंड स्पेशल, उन्होंने ऐसे ज्वेलरी में टर्न कर दिया है. सो दिस इज़ आई थिंक रियली रियली स्पेशल एंड आई एब्सोल्युटली लव दिस प्रेजेंट. And let's check out the necklace. I'm definitely gonna wear the ring. And I love bands. And I love jewelry. Who doesn't love jewelry? So this is the necklace. Oh my god, I love the pendant. Wow. So जाते हैं तुषार के पास और उसको बोलते हैं thank you. But look at this. Ow. Obviously I haven't बंद नहीं किया मैंने. यार अकेले बंद करना बड़ा मुश्किल होता है. किस किस के लिए डिफ़िकल्ट है, मेरे से नहीं होता. मैं हमेशा बंद कराती हूँ, बट अभी वो काय के साथ बिज़ी है तो मैं उसको डिस्टर्ब नहीं कर रही. एक्चुअली वो काय और की दोनों के साथ बिज़ी है. नहीं हो रहा. मुझे तो शादी पहनाएगा, बट यू गॉट द जिस्ट ऑफ इट. सो ये रहा पेंडेंट. एंड या अगर आपको भी अपनी वाइफ को ट्रीट करना है, उसका बर्थडे आ रहा है या फिर मदर्स डे आ रहा है या कुछ आ रहा है, तो प्लीज़ डू चेक आउट व्हाट्स दिस प्लेस कॉल्ड वंस अगेन, इफ़ साउंड वाज आर्ट. और इनका मैं इंस्टाग्राम लिंक डाल दूँगी. एंड या थैंक यू सो मच. दिस इज़ रियली स्पेशल. ऑब्वियसली थैंक्स टू माई हस्बैंड फॉर बीइंग एक्स्ट्रा कंसिडरेट, क्योंकि मैंने उनका पेज एक्चुअली उसके साथ शेयर किया था कि सीखो कुछ, ऐसे ऐसे गिफ्ट्स दिया करो. एंड आई एम एक्चुअली अमेज कि तुषार डिड दैट. टेक सम नोट्स बॉयज़, फादर्स स्पेशली. चलें, या फिर ज़रूरी नहीं है कि फादर्स को ही देना है. अगर आप किसी की बुआ है, नानी है, चाची है, मामी है, मामा है, कुछ भी हैं, कोई भी आप है, एज अ सन डॉटर, आप ये एक मदर को आप गिफ्ट कर सकते हैं. एंड इट्स गोइंग टू बी एक्स्ट्रा स्पेशल फॉर द मम ऑब्वियसली. सो गो चेक इट आउट.
हाँ भाई, कैसा लगा गिफ्ट? अच्छा लगा? तो जाओ फिर ऑर्डर करो. मेरे अकेले का खर्चा ही क्यों, आप सबका भी खर्चा हो. जाओ ऑर्डर करो. बुआ, चाची, मामे, ताए, जो भी है ऑर्डर करो. और हमें फॉलो करना मत भूलना भाई. बड़ी मेहनत से वीडियोस बना रहा हूँ मैं, दिन रात एक करके. वीडियोस अच्छी लग रही है, कमेंट करो, लाइक करो, शेयर करो, सब्सक्राइब करो. सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करो यार, अच्छा लगता है. कमेंट भी करो. मैंने जैसे पहले पिछली वीडियो में बताया था कि मुझे कमेंट्स अच्छे लगते हैं. मैं सारे कमेंट्स पढ़ रहा हूँ और जब भी टाइम मौका मिलता है रिप्लाई भी कर रहे हैं. तो मिलते हैं भाई आपसे नेक्स्ट व्लॉग में. टिल देन टेक केयर, बाय.